So now we are going to performing a password sniffing using a Wireshark. So Wireshark is a network a packet for analyzer. It will use to capture the network packets and display here. Now it may be used here in the, it will capture a live network traffic from Ethernet, IIE and 8022 and PPP and HDLC, ATM, Bluetooth, USB token rings, frame, relay, and much more things. You don't need to consider about that one. So let's, what we would like to do here is, so first just minimize this. Let's, we would like to utilize here as first we just launch the Wireshark. Now let's just use here as Wi-Fi adapter. Let's just launch, so you don't mind this. So let's just come back here, open this. Now we would like to walk to here as a test php dot web.com. So let's, we would like to walk to here. Now let's, we would like to just click on a sign up. So just put here as test, username as test, password is test. Just I log in here. Oh sorry, I just enter. Let's let me just type here as a test, then you just type here as test, then try to log in. So where I have successfully logged in here, now where it was done, now just click on here. That's it. Once you have closed here, now let's, you just look here as this. Now how you can identify this one as here. Now you just click on here as HTTP. This one, let's just enter. So these are OSSCP. So you can look here a get a success hypertext transfer protocol, where you can get parameter, you can observe here everything. In this case, so 200 okay. So here a text is okay. We would like to flow a TCP streams. In this you can look at 200 plain text, it was successful. That's it, there is nothing else apart from here. This is transferred a data, data is length. Now I just close this. So we just type it as HTTP get applications. So where you can get a login.php, so where you can observe all these things, a HTTP 200 okay, destinations, etc. things. Or you can look if you can decode this one, accepted the text with HTML applications, everything. So where you can observe the in hypertext protocol. So what else you have, sniff this one, you can save this one. Now also just look here as HTTP dot a request dot method. So just put here equal to as a post. Let me just you just need to get it only in the post method. In this post method, let me just close this. Hypertext transfer protocol, GZ content length. So where we would like to request here in the post, you can look here in the post. Let's just scroll down. So we prefer not to look in this test PHP. So it is with the test only. URL encoded. So now you can see here username and password is test and test. So where I have entered a long time, it was test and test. That's it. So you can easily can sniff here in if you can sit in the coffee shop. If the many people they come to a coffee shop and don't do any type of mistakes with them, okay, you can sniff what else you require. and save this one into an pcap file. Then you can do what else you like. That's it. So this is how we can perform a password sniffing using a Wireshark.